Bundle up. We have dropped one whole degree in the Austin metro. We are now down to 31, so technically below freezing. It is windy out there. That is one of the flags off of Steck Avenue, and you can see there it's blowing in the wind. Downtown, not looking bad, looking really clear, so visibility is good there. We are looking at radar now and our temperatures. Radar still showing some of that purple. What that means is that it is picking up on sleet in the area. The white that you see there is snow flurries. It is very dry at the surface. A lot of this probably is not reaching the ground, but because it is below freezing, any water or any rain that's left over from last night will freeze on elevated surfaces. Bridges and overpasses need to be definitely approached carefully, and also seeing frost on the windshields. I've seen reports of that all morning long, so give yourself plenty of time. We are going to see this continue moving off towards the south and east, and the more southeast it moves, the thinner it becomes. We are also seeing a very windy north wind helping bring in that dry air, which is why a lot of this just isn't making it to the ground. It actually helped us out quite a bit. It dried out our roadways because our winds out of the north anywhere between 15 to 25 miles per hour, even gusting close to 30 this morning. But it's not helping us out with the wind chill. It feels very cold out. It feels like 23 degrees in Austin. It feels like 15 in Georgetown. We are going to see any leftover winter weather move south and completely out of the area. We are going to clear throughout the day. We'll see the sunshine. Temperature makes it to 39 degrees at noon, and by the middle of the afternoon, we make it to about 45. The wind is going to calm down this evening, but even with that temperature being at 45, it's going to feel like the 30s for a majority of the day. Overnight, I'm still expecting widespread below freezing temperatures, but this time around it will be dry, so I'm not expecting any slick spots tomorrow morning. The wind chill for this morning, look at this. We are below freezing now, and it stays below freezing, or it will feel like it stays below freezing at least until noon. We are going to see a chance for rain middle and late of the week, or on Thursday. It is going to help bring us our rain chance closer to about a quarter inch of rain in the next 7 days, but this time around we will be above freezing, so there is some good news there. The allergy forecast remains low for ragweed, fall elm, and mold. The Statesman is where you can stay updated on that. We are going to see that today is the coldest day of the week. 45 degrees for the high, 51 for the high on Wednesday. We go back into the 60s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Our next chance of rain will be on Thursday, but we'll be dry by then. And just about all of you looking for ways to stay warm today, we looked up some tips for you, and it turns out coffee may not actually be the best thing to keep you warm because it closes up your blood vessels. Wear more layers and less jewelry. The metal will keep you cold. Experts also say that mittens are better than gloves because your fingers generate more heat. That's because they're not separated from each other by the fabric. So good info there for us on this very cold day. Brian?